This video presents the latest updates to the chat feature. In the beginning, I demonstrate exchanging messages in a group conversation that I created before making this video, and which I use for tests and fixes. A message will be sent from few participants of the conversation in order to test the sending and retrieval of the message and how that message updates the interface. Once message is sent, the sender and part of the message should be displayed in the chat brief window on the left side. It seems that although I have a limit of the message of 40 chars, I haven't taken in consideration the text I added by displaying the username, and also it seems that the text trimming of the text blocks using to display that info is not working like I expected. Hence, this is one thing that I will try to address and fix in the next post, because longer messages in the status window make the chat window more options, represented by the dots, to not be visible, which is not what is wanted. For the time being, the control used to display information about the conversation participants was not updated to reflect the names of the participants. On top of the chat window, we can see the chat conversation name being reflected, but not yet the participants. I believe I need to create a different control for that, since that will be the place from where user can remove or add participants to that conversation. I believe this will be done in a not so near future, because of other things which I want to do, and also because of other small, fixable issues that I encountered today. Since the chat windows are created during the application launch, you will see that for one of the users, we cannot see the new conversation chat that we will create, hence the need of addressing this issue to before posting updates with the application. Creating a group conversation was implemented using that plus button, which was added on the right of the chat, and the addition of participants was still done using the search field on the top of the application. Once at least 2 participants are added, except the user currently connected, the chat window is created and we can send messages. If a group conversation needs to be deleted, then we can use the 3 dots, which will be available when the mouse is over the conversation chat. Once the 3 dots are pressed, we have an option to delete the conversation. Although in my next post, I wanted to address and present scrolling of messages older than 2 days and allowing user to select multiple text messages, it seems in the light of the shortcomings noticed during this presentation that those will have to wait. For the remaining of the video, you will see me opening the application as the 3rd user, which is part of the group conversation, and using him to exchange messages. I will also demonstrate how the length of the message affects the conversation brief window on the left side. The video ends by attempting of deleting a chat which has more than 40 messages and the deletion of a conversation which is almost empty.